So guys, today I'm going to be talking about motivation. Today's topic is going to be around motivation because I noticed something among we Gen Zs. I noticed something, and here is it. We set goals, we set tasks, we set the things we want to do, but by day three we don't do it. Like by day three it starts to reduce. Day one you set goals, exercise. I'm going to exercise, I'm going to study, I'm going to create content. You did everything, non-negotiable things that you set for day one. You did everything. You check task one, you check task two, you check task three. Day two you did the same, but by day three you start to feel broken, you start to feel tired, you start to feel, I don't want to use the word lazy because we are not actually lazy. It's just because it's because our environment, the environment we are, and the system we are using. We want to overcome motivation. If we want to overcome motivation, we need to change our environment and our system. So in every video I promised I'm going to be giving step by step framework to every topic I'm going to be talking about in my YouTube channel. So here is it. I'm going to give you a step by step framework I also use to break the habits that I have, to break the habits that motivation will make me do something. No, I set principles and systems that makes me overcome motivation, and I won't rely on motivation anymore. That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So step one, reduce friction. Here is it. Make the effort towards the habit, or towards the goal, make it very easy. Get what I'm saying? Make it very easy. You have a goal you want to make, you set a goal, you want to achieve that goal. The first step or the first habit towards that goal, make it easy. So here is the example. You want to read now, and you have exam next week or upper week. So you were like, I just have to read 5 pages today, non-negotiable. I have to read 5 pages today in order for me to cover up the whole syllabus. It's not done like that. If you try to read 5 pages now, you just try to read 5 pages now, you might burn out, and you will burn out. That's just it. We are all tired. We get tired easily, so you can burn out. So here is this thing. The habit towards that reading 5 pages, make it easy. Reduce the numbers of pages you want to read. Just read 1 page. When you read 1 page, rest. That's you making it easy. When you read 1 page, you rest. 5 minutes after, you come back and read page 2. You read, understand this very well, rest again, come back and read page 3. That's you making what you want to do easy for you to do. If you want to do push-ups now, as a boy, you want to do push-ups and you always feel tired that I can't do more than 20. So to make it easy, just do 5. Stand up, walk around, get down again and do 5. That's you making the task easy. Make it easy. Whatever you want to do, just make it easy. If you make it easy, your brain is going to catch up with it and you are going to enjoy the process, because making it easy is like you breaking it down step by step. It's just like solving a math equation. If you just try to solve everything at once, you won't get it, or you get lost during the process. But if you break it down step by step and you tackle this step, you are going to get the answer. That's how it works. Step 2 is to introduce a day 3 routine. So this is what I noticed. We Gen Zs, especially me, let's be real now, especially me, when I set goal, there was a time I set a 6 month roadmap, just a 6 month routine. What I'll do every day, every week. I just want to track everything. So I set a 6 month routine. Then I started day one. I checked everything. About 10 tasks. I checked everything. Go to school, read, exercise, um personal time with God. That's me reading my Bible and just being in the mood with God's presence. So meditate, I meditate also. So meditate, go to school, come back from school, eat, those kind of stuff. So the non-negotiables, I checked all of them. I make sure I did all of them. Day two, I did the same. But by day three, I was tired. I was feeling, why do I even make it plenty? I was feeling tired. I didn't keep the momentum from day one to, I didn't keep the momentum going from day one, day two, keep going day three, day four, day five. So this is a trick I use to break that cycle. So I continue from day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, day seven, till 6 months. So this is it. Introduce a 3 days routine. A soft 3 days routine. That's step two. Introduce a soft 3 days routine. So this is it. You make the system for day one. You set the goals. You set the goals for day two. They are exactly as they should be. So this is the trick. Day three should be very easy. Reduce the tasks for day three. They should be easier than day one and day two. Day three tasks should be simple. Reduce it. Maybe you have to check off tasks for day one. You have to check tasks for day one. I'm coming. Let me off the notification. I'm sorry. My phone's notification alarm was on. I was talking about step two. Step two is to introduce a 3 day routine. When you have day one, day two, day three, on and on, you have the tasks to be intact. This is what you should do. Make day three tasks easy. So you are motivated to do day one because you just set the tasks. You are feeling hyped. You want to do it. You just want to check everything. So the motivation is in you. You check day one tasks. Now day two, you are still feeling the motivation. You are still feeling motivated, and you check day two tasks. Now is day three. You crashed, you burn out, you are tired. This is how to tackle that. Make the 3 tasks easier. You plan ahead. You've already studied yourself and you know that you are able to do day one, day two, but day three you get tired. So make the 3 tasks easier than day one and day two. So when it's day three, you are tired, but now you see that even what you want to do is simple and easy to do. So make the 3 tasks easier than day one, day two. Then increase it again day four, day five. Decrease it again day six. That's how you are going to be able to check your tasks for 6 months. You don't have to make everything add just so that you can finish everything. No, make it easy and simple. That's how you are going to build momentum, and that's how consistency begins. So now step three is to replace motivation with system. Replace motivation with system. This is it. Motivation is just like a spark. System is the engine. Motivation fades, but system dey usually last. If you have motivation, gradually it's going to fade. Just like I talked about day one, day two, day three. You are motivated in day one and day two, but by day three you are burned out. You are tired. But if you have a system, just like I explained in day one and in step one and step two, a system. Day one, you make the work because you know you are going to be motivated. You make it hard. Not that you make it hard and easy. You make it hard to not hard to work, but you make it hard as in you are going to check all of this. I'm going to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the kind of hard I'm talking about. So day two also, you set 1 2 3 4 5 6 tasks. But by day 3, instead of also making it 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you know you are going to get tired by day 3, why don't you make it 1 2 3? That's the system. Then by day 4, you've already rested in day 3. Day 4 should be a level up again. That's how you continue the momentum. Then by day 4, you make it 1 2 3 4. Then day 5, make it 1 2 3 4 5. Day 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Day 7, you rest again. You reduce the task to 1 2 3. That's how you build system. Even in those days, you don't have to make it very extremely hard. Example, if you want to read now, just tell yourself, I don't want to read the whole book. Instead of saying I want to read the whole book, your mindset should be, I just want to spend 10 minutes to read in the morning, 10 minutes to read in the afternoon, and 10 minutes to revise what I've read in the night. Or if you can handle it, you can just make it 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the afternoon, and revise what you've read before, 20 minutes in the night. That's how you build system. If you want to do push-ups, you don't have to do 100 push-ups at once. Just do 20 in the morning, do 20 in the afternoon. If you want, before you sleep, do 20 in the night again. That's how you build system. And step 4 is to reward consistency. Reward consistency. Rewarding consistency in the sense that now you were able for a whole week, you set plans for a month, and you were able to continue. You were able to start day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, down to day 7. That's a week. So this is it. You're able to check day 1 start, you check day 2 start, you check day 3 tasks, you check the 4 tasks, you check the 5 tasks, you check the whole week tasks. That's you having consistency. But mind me, if you are unable to check the 8 tasks, you've broken the consistency cycle. That's it, you've broken it. So instead of you avoiding the tasks in the 8, make it simpler than the days you were able to do it, so that when you want to do it in the 8, you are still able to improve on something. You are not going to just enter the 8 and don't do anything. So reward consistency is step 4. When you also reward yourself, it depends on who you are and what you feel like doing. For example, now when I'm able to check my tasks off throughout the day, I go to YouTube and watch videos. Not just videos, but they are educational videos, that are engaging. So but during the day I don't watch them because it's going to take my time. Instead of me watching those videos, I rather focus on the tasks I have. But in the night, I already have the mindset that I've finished that day's tasks. Then I'm able to watch those videos. Don't worry, I will validate the kind of videos I watch. I will validate on the screen later. So that's about step 4. Step 1 is to reduce friction. Step 2 is to introduce a 3-day routine. Step 3 is to replace motivation with system. And step 4 is to reward consistency. So guys, I hope this video was able to help you. And don't worry, I'm going to be dropping more content like this in upcoming days. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts about what I've said, or if you have any addition to the steps I've given, comments below. I'm open to your replies. I'll be happy to see people comment under my videos. So there's actually a video I'm going to drop November 30th, 2025. You guys should watch that video. I have lots of content I'm going to be dropping for you guys. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.